causing damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Winstead and Howard Lake around 6:25 p.m. Montrose around 6:30 p.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Buffalo, Maple Lake, Monticello, and Clearwater. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for central and east-central Minnesota. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, if one is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety inside a sturdy structure such as a basement or small interior room. The National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a tornado warning for South Central Wright County, East Central McLeod County, Northwestern Carver County, until 6:45 p.m. At 6:17 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Lester Prairie, or 17 miles east of Hutchinson, moving northeast at 75 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and ping-pong ball-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Watertown and Montrose around 6:30 p.m. Delano around 6:35 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Hollywood, New Germany, and Plato. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornado watch number 29.